Hello, good day everyone. I am Ema Dhea Madrigal, a Bachelor of Science in Information Technology student in Marinduque State College. Today I will show you how I created my program entitled Create Your Own Story. In Create Your Own Story program, there is an incomplete story or letter because it has no noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, or etc. And in able to complete that, users will input variables depending on what the program asks to complete that story. Users doesn't know the whole story before inputting their own variables. Then the output will be the story along with users' inputted variable. So the output will become a complete story and the computer will automatically read the whole story for better understanding. So now let's see how I created my program. I'm using PyCharm to create my program. So let's open it. So this is my program. I named it as story.py. So in the beginning, I use import random and pyttsx3. I use import random for the story to be randomized by the program and pyttsx3 for the voice that will read the output of my program. So next is def talk. This def or definition defines a user-defined function object. I use def talk to read the story. So let's move on how I defined my stories. I created 20 stories. This is the story 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there are 20 stories. So let's go to story 1. This is the incomplete story that will be the output. So this adjective is defined as enter an adjective as an output. This will be the output, enter an adjective. So the users will input adjective. So let's see the adjective 2. So here it is. It defined as enter an adjective also. So this animal is here. Enter an animal, house, here it is, then verb. Then this verb is defined here. So here, verb 2 also. And so on and so forth. Yes. Then talk story is defined here. So the text will read by the computer. So let's go to the end of the code of my program. Here it is. Variable method for this variable method for story 1 to 20. Then this method will be randomly chosen by this definition intro. Then this choice, this one choice. Then while choice is not equal to no, choice equals input, would you like to play? Yes or no? This will be the intro of the output of the program. If choice is equal to yes, then this intro will start the program. Else, the program will break and print goodbye. So this is the end of the code of my program. And now let's start looking at the output of this program. So let's run it. This is the intro of the output of my program as I said earlier. Then if I said yes, so as you can see, program will ask a place. So let's enter a place. Let's use park, place again, um, school, color, red, things, pencil, enter a name, Emma. Adjective for cute. Adjective also sexy. Rare things is boxes. Celebrity Harry. A praise, let's said I love you.
Today I rode bus from park to school. I left early because I wasn't sure where the bus stop was, but I saw a bright red sign right by the pencil so it was easy to find. The bus driver's name was Ema the Cute. The only other passenger was a girl a year older, but all the seats were filled with sexy boxes. When the bus started moving, the girl turned to me and said, "Want to hear the best advice I ever heard from Harry? I love you." I'll keep that in mind.
So this is the output of my program. Then, would you like to play again? If you say no, then it print goodbye. The code will break, and that's it. So let's try to run again this program. Yes. An adjective, cute. And color, red. Things, bugs. A place, school. Enter a name, Emma. Enter an adjective, pretty. Sabihin. Enter an insect, mosquito. Enter a food, fries. Verb, jumping. Praise. Let's try again. I love you.
Last night I dreamed I was a cute butterfly with red splotches that looked like bats. I flew to school with my best friend, Ema, who was a pretty mosquito. We ate some fries when we got there and then decided to jumping. The dream ended when I said, "I love you."
So earlier we choose no, so this time we choose again the yes. So as you can see, the program will start again and the story will start. Enter a verb end in ing. Let's try walking. Body parts, nose. Verb ending in ing. Swimming. Enter a food. Fries again.
When you see a couple walking down the street holding nose and swimming, you look over to your side and the only thing you are holding is a half-eaten fries.
So let's start again. Adjective, pretty. Ashley. Let's try Ashley. Adjective, fat. Occupation, farmer. Another occupation, teacher. Type of clothes, let's try dress. An adjective, slim. Place, plural verb. Dances. Let's try dances.
This April Fool's Day I've planned to most pretty fool. I'm going to tell Ashley that I've fallen in love with a fat man slash woman and that I've decided to quit my job as a farmer and move to Paris where ultimately I became a teacher. I'll go on and on about how I can't wait to wear a dress all day while I love and I eat slim cheese. After spending some time in Paris, we'll take a quick flight over to school where we'll have distinguished about dances. I may even blog about it.
So that's how I run my program, and that's the end of this program. Thank you.